New live snippet, free Uzi. Uzi free.
So my black hair can't rush. So my black hair.
Okay.
Whoa. I came around and act like they didn't need me. Did this on my own. Gotta get thanks to the wheels. When I'm bored, I'm getting gone. I swear this life's too easy. Me and Glow got this. Yeah, we like Mario Luigi. Don't keep about it, that's all on my back today. I got to work, yeah, I might just drive today. I'm in the field, just watch how I sacrifice. I keep it real, no, I'm not gonna catch it. They count me out, come on in a honey, count fresh in the bank, cause this is...
Yo, so he said me and Glow like Mario and Luigi, or Geo or Glow. You know what I'm talking about. I don't want to get their pronouns wrong. They do TikTok and shit. I've been seeing them, right? Do they make music like or something? Well, like, why is Uzi linked up with them? I'm like at the loop. I need y'all niggas to explain. None of y'all are saying anything good about him. This is Uzi's stylist. I'm genuinely asking a question. And y'all niggas calling this nigga Glow Diddy, Glow Take, Veiny Dick. Gang. Nothing? Alright.
This is the money day, this is the money day, this is the money day, this is the money day. I go the money way, my brother's loyal. They don't even want from me, know I'm the money. They try to keep the money safe. They don't even want Louis 100 Drake. I think it on risk to see 20K. I run on my rolling my fucking face. Karaki's always in the morning. I swear to God, I was just up to 8. I'm trying to remember a covenant. Under the bed, that's where I keep the money safe. Bro, he a busy, see, that's the other way. Don't want you on the other day. But in the clips, I like to that's a monkey face. Bro, I hit how I'm gonna operate. Good on my block, it's all going to operate. Basically, right on my team, I'm trying to chop his face. Huh? Whoa! Keep going. Keep going. Close! We been bro niggas really fucked up the face. I'm the guys, he know he fucked up the face. We done in his balance, he fucked up the ways. Double these numbers, they look like they know the face. Just don't let my face, I feel like pink head. You think she love you, little boy, you a dickhead. 2017, I was a rich kid. Nowadays, I wear that shit just to go to bed. No, he not stepping on shit like I know feet. But on niggas,
I gotta hear it.
Don't sleep. Nowadays, I'm so weird.
I gotta hear it in higher quality. This shit sound fire though. This shit don't sound fire. This shit sound fire. I gotta hear it in higher quality because it's like everything muffled. Oh shit, Rod Wave! Oh no. This ain't no Rod Wave music. Fuck. Alright, anyways, what was the other music I gotta listen to? Ken Snippets. Send it. Damn, how I passed this? Y'all niggas slow.
Yeah, overly. Shrimp steak, we eating good. Where the fuck came fatty? Yeah, I made it out the hood. Yeah, we up a million on a million. Came from slugs and switch, hand me down. Got on from my sisters. So they look like put you down. Everything went always perfect. Yeah, come to you if you deserve it. I just want to live. We ain't going stand. I've been running lights, if it's shots, if the trend. You can have the whole clothes, I just won't stand. Nigga soft 10, better yes nigga. Long hair, poke out honey, she a bad.
Nah, this second one hard. This second one hard. That first one I ain't like. This second one's hard.
I just want to live, we ain't going stand. I've been running lights, if it's shots, if the trend. You can have the whole clothes, I just won't stand. Nigga soft 10. Yeah, yes, nigga. Long hair, poke out honey, she a bad. Take care of her, everything that while she call me dead. I can let the money grow, yeah, ain't ready. For whatever I want, yeah, cause it's had. Need the drugs, lean, I'm a fiend, I'm like trash. I just want to live.
Huh. Alright, so look. Is this the same flow? Yeah. I mean, shit, it is. But the shit called More Chaos. Is it not called More Chaos? He dropping some shit called More Chaos. You thought this shit was gonna be on some lo-fi beats? If it ain't broke, don't fix it. No, I don't agree with that. That's how you stagnate and stop improving. But, you know, hopefully he tries some new shit. I like hearing new shit from artists and shit and them evolving. Even if it's like, you feel me? Niggas just went 2 for 4 on snippets. Low-key 2 for 5 because I ain't like Travis shit. Fuck. Holy fuck. All right, I got some shit I got to show y'all in the bookmarks.
This ain't Benny Hunts when she eat it, finger licking. Dog can't get caught, so we shooting from a distance. I put a Glock out, I got a Maybach, we pulling the top out. ACDC, where did I rock out? All eyes on me.